Grapedrop Website Builder Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're diving into the Grapedrop Website Builder, a powerful tool designed for users looking to build a website with ease, especially for those with limited technical skills. Grapedrop stands out with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and AI-powered design capabilities, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and anyone who needs a professional-looking site without the hassle of coding. The core feature of Grapedrop is its AI design assistant, which helps users generate a custom layout based on a few preferences. It's an excellent option for beginners, as you don't have to start from scratch. Just enter your business details, and Grapedrop will create a site that fits your needs. The builder comes with a vast library of templates across various industries, ensuring that your site's style is both modern and relevant. The customization options are also flexible, offering features like adjustable colors, fonts, and images to personalize your design. Grapedrop's user experience is streamlined, with an easy-to-navigate dashboard that even first-time website builders can appreciate. Additionally, it includes built-in e-commerce features, allowing you to sell products directly through your site, as well as SEO tools to help improve your site's visibility in search results. It also integrates smoothly with third-party apps, adding flexibility for users who need additional functionality. However, like any tool, Grapedrop has its weaknesses. One downside is the limited control over advanced customizations. For users who want complete design freedom, it may feel a bit restrictive compared to other platforms like WordPress or Webflow. The AI assistant is helpful, but it doesn't always nail the design exactly how you envision, and adjustments can be time-consuming. While the pricing is reasonable for the features offered, some users may find it a bit costly for small, personal projects. In summary, Grapedrop Website Builder is an excellent choice for those who want a simple, professional website without a steep learning curve. It's particularly suitable for beginners and small businesses looking for ease of use, AI-powered assistance, and integrated e-commerce features. However, if you need advanced customization or full creative control, this platform might not be the best fit.